So for example, with the south cards, you would know that you wanted to be in game, right? You would probably figure that you don't want to be in slam because you're not strong enough for that, even if partner has a max no trump. So from the moment your partner opens a no trump, you get to say, okay, any part scores are out because we should be in game, and small and grand slams are out. All right, so now we've already taken it down to five contracts right away, right? Okay, which is the 5 contract? Which of the 5 game contracts? Well, you only have a doubleton club, so we're going to rule out 5 clubs, right? Theoretically, any of the others are in the picture, but in our constant pursuit of playing in a major or no trump, 5 diamonds is probably an unlikely final contract too, right? So it becomes a matter of, okay, do we play 3 no? Do we play 4 hearts? Do we play 4 spades? Regular Stayman, you will find out if partner has a 4-card major, and if partner bids hearts, you will get to your 4-4 heart fit. So that will work here. When would regular Stayman pose a problem that you might not get to the best contract?
The 5-3.
Okay, so if opener actually had 5 spades and did not have 4 hearts, right? So you could bid, in theory, you could bid 2 clubs, and partner would bid 2 spades, showing 4 spades, but you wouldn't know about the 5th spade, right? And so then you would jump to 3 no next to make sure that your side got the game, and opener with 5 spades wouldn't be able to correct that because they don't know that you have 3 spades. So how do we solve that problem? Puppet Stayman will solve that problem. And if you recall, because this was, I think, back toward the earlier part of our winner set, that Puppet will allow you to find either a 4 or a 5 card major. It'll allow you to find either a 4-4 fit or a 5-3 fit, right? So what we want to see South do here is jump to 3 clubs after a no trump, and remember that that's your Puppet Stayman. And for now, you are asking just for a 5-card major. This is our simplified Puppet Stayman that may differ from classic Puppet Stayman that you have possibly read in a book or 2 somewhere. But this is the thing now. This is the modern, easier Puppet Stayman. We like easier.
Yes.
Okay. So what we want to hear from North after 3 clubs is simply 3 diamonds. And this is a lot like your regular Stayman denial of a 4-card major, only here, remember 3 diamonds just says, partner, I don't have a 5-card major. If you have 5, you bid it. 3 hearts or 3 spades shows 5 of that suit. All right. Okay, so opener has denied a 5-card major, which rules out spades, right? So as responder, you say, okay, 4 spades is out, because partner doesn't have 5 of those. However, partner could still have 4 hearts. So before we settle for 3 no, we need to check for the heart fit. And how do we do that? I know this table for sure had the option I wanted to see.
You bid the spade.
All right, so you bid the 4-card major you don't have. And this is the puppet part of your puppet statement, right? 3 spades says, hey opener, I have 4 hearts. If you want to play 4 hearts, bid 4 hearts. If you don't want to play 4 hearts, bid 3 now. Pretty simple, right?
And could you remind us what's alertable?
Oh, so the 3 club bid is alertable. Here, you should probably be alerting the 3 diamonds because a lot of people, if they're playing the old style Puppet Stayman, 3 diamonds guarantees a 4-card major. So
okay.
so here it doesn't guarantee a 4-card major, but since it denies a 5-card major. So you should probably be alerting that, and then you should be alerting the puppet bid because that's yes. It is alert. Now here's the other thing. All right.
Get away with that at both.
Let's change this hand just a little bit. Let's take your 4th heart and make it a club. Could you start the auction the same way? 1 no, 3 clubs, because in that case you would have 2 3-card majors, right? And you still could have a 5-3 fit. So there would still be value in using your puppet. All right. But at that point, when opener denied a 5, then you wouldn't have anything to puppet to because you don't have a 4, and then we wouldn't do that. We would just bid 3 no. Now, some people, totally reasonable as well. If you had that hand, if you were 3-3-4-3, totally flat, you might not bother at all. You might just shoot out 3 no. You could miss a 5-3 fit. On the other hand, this looks like a hand that wants to be a no trump, right? Your 4-3-3 and opener is known to be balanced as well. So that's reasonable action too. We'll talk about that in language of bridge some as well, because you know, like if you were just to jump to 3 no, the disadvantage would, well, maybe you miss a 5-3 fit when that's a better place to play. But 1 no 3 no has the merit of revealing very little about your hand to the opponents and makes it more difficult for the defense, right?